Hello guys, we're back again. This is a shocking one. We get to a woman passed for now for this particular video. Man with a married woman, or how I want to put her on, ex-husband, don't set a former wife house ablaze for Benin City. You know, this woman dey Italy and she visit Nigeria for this Christmas. You know, come greet family, come do Christmas and New Year with the family members and all that. Surprisingly, at night, according to the narration of the video that you're going to watch right now, that the man came into the house, you know, attempt to even take her life and all that, blah, blah, blah. So it's a very shocking one for things like this to happen. Then the information reaching us, you know, which you know, on this particular video now, according to my findings, although allegedly I'm not sure of the sanctity of this information, that the man was the one, might just pigeon to talk we carry this woman go abroad, you know, but after she don't go abroad and everything, you know, the whole thing can scatter, their marriage can scatter. So this man, the suspect, say this woman now don't go start life with another man for Italy, for that side. So because of all that, he done the threatening for a while, say she not go fit enter Nigeria, if she come Nigeria and all that, blah, blah, blah. So whenever this woman come Nigeria and all that, you know, they sneak in and they sneak out. Now waiting with the here, allegedly, I don't know whether not true. So she they sneak in and sneak out. But this time, this man can't know, get information, say she did around. Now go a house, go set the house ablaze. And she was inside the house, you know, when this whole thing happened. To be honest, there's no justification to this satanism. There's no justification to this at all. So if you marry a woman, when I'm not there again, that doesn't give you the right maybe to take her life. Or if you marry a woman, maybe for any reason, one or two, she can't say she don't want the marriage anymore, she want to move on with her life, that still did not give you any right to take her life or to set her house ablaze. You know, for any reason, there is no single justification to this. But meanwhile, you guys watch this video.
While the people of Edo State joined others all over the world to usher in the new year, a family in a house at number 7 Henry Asemota Street in Benin City had the worst moment of their lives. An international businesswoman, Uyi Tina, was married to a man identified as Osaro Aunwa, but the marriage broke down in irreconcilable circumstances. The woman was said to have returned the bride price to the family, which they said was accepted. Reports say the estranged couple have been having continuous squabbles for close to 1 year. The woman, Uyi Tina, returned to Nigeria from Europe on the 31st of December 2024 and checked into her house at Iduonwina in Benin City. But at about 1 a.m. on 1st January 2025, when the people were celebrating the new year, the said assailant stormed the house with a 4 liters of petrol and immediately set the entire house ablaze, while the woman and other occupants were inside. It took the intervention of neighbors for the woman to escape, but not without injuries. When EBS TV News visited the house, the building and other household items were completely burnt down. The car in the compound was also touched. Some family members expressed surprise over the attack.
Around 1 o'clock, they called me that break the window, spray the room, this very one. Yes. That's where she's sleeping.
What happened is there's a man she was married to, which they are no longer together, and bride price has been returned. So she came from abroad just on the 31st, and then the man got a wind that she's around. The man came to the house, broke the window, poured fuel into the house, and wanted to set her ablaze, but she was able to escape. But her documents, the money she brought in, and all others, all got burnt, and the house completely razed down.
The victim, Uyi Tina, who is now in the hospital, appealed to the police to expand their investigation on the incident.
Yesterday around 1 o'clock midnight, somebody they hit my window. I just wake up. Who is that? When I hear voice, my ex-husband voice, say,
What does that mean?
They tell me, say, today, that is my last day, now today I will die for you. So when I hear the voice, now I start the chassis. Sarah, you want break my window? Sarah, you want break my window? Sarah, you want break my window? Come break the window. When you break the window finish, no where to run go. I may not want to open my door. May not come enter as in day as inside the compound, that is inside the man say, how many they enter the compound, but we lock gates. So the next thing when I see for him now, fuel, he carry and enter the window, start to spray fuel. I say, Saruwa came on wow, Saruwa, you want bomb my house? Saruwa, you want bomb my house? I come dey try to find my document, but now yesterday, now I come down from Italy. I dey do Italy business. They carry load, they go, carry load, they come, they carry arrow, they go, carry load, go back. So people wey dey Europe, they will still give me arrow. Me, I carry come back to Nigeria. So that yesterday, I start my motor no start. So I no fit go deliver the message. So all the message there, so I call them, because 1 second there, I bring everything. So okay. I dey try to find where I even keep. I not even know where I keep things again. The next thing when I hear, boom, me I run come and my dog just back. Boom, I just force myself open the door. That's why I take come.
So fire?
Fire on fire. When they give me for Italy, me I supply, me I give them for area. The money born about 42,000 euro. It born. All my gold, my things, my document, my Italian documents, everything born.
The new year threw many families into happiness and joy, including the family of Mrs. Tina Uyi, who resides in Idowina Street of Tipa Road, Isiho community. However, the joy of Mrs. Tina Uyi and that of her relatives was suddenly aborted following an alleged destruction of her house and other valuables by her former husband, identified as Mr. Osaro Ahunwa, who visited the house in the early hours of New Year Day and set the house ablaze, while occupants were caught in helpless. A niece to the victim, Osarobo Osade, gave an account of the incident, which destroyed valuables including travel documents belonging to the victim.
He said if you don't open this door, you go burn the house. Now you go look for something, they break the window. Now I say, I'm mommy don't break window. Now as you break the window, you start to pour the fuel. As they pour the fuel, and so your lights, the thing your make fuel, everything, the thing even touch my mommy for leg, safe. Where it blue for his side. She got the shot my documents so she did the travel and customer money. She me to go bring a 9 fire come splash into her leg. So as I say, okay, make me see try if I go feel if I go feel bring her come out. I go carry do way through for inside water, my put for body. Now I feel long go meet and ask her say who side particular place where you put the document. She said she don't feel remember because I might know your reach down. I might know your settle down. So she not can't remember where she put her. Now I go say okay. And the thing be say everybody there is house. We door they lock. We call me to defend key more to open the more to come and say.
The matter has since been reported to the police for investigation. Donald Ehiminye, ITV News.
This is the situation right now at Idowina, where the house was completely burnt down, and then investigation revealed that the man who was alleged to have committed this crime is currently with the police at Ekiadolo Division. In our subsequent broadcast of our news production, we'll be able to update you further on the situation, especially a special interview with the man on why he actually carried out this dastardly act. From Idowina here in Benin, Festus Alain Khe, EBS News.
All right, guys, as you all can see, you heard her. She's in critical situation right now at the hospital. I just hope that she survived this, because a couple of people were injured in the house, according to the news also reaching us. This actually happened in a location at Idowina Street off Tipa Road, Isiho community, Benin City, according to ITV. That Mr. Osaro Ahunwa, that's the name of the man, the ex-husband. His name is called Mr. Osaro Ahunwa. Why the woman, her name is Mrs. Tina Uyi. So I believe there's still kind of entanglement between both of them. The man stay in love with her and all that, but you cannot love somebody and want the person to die. So I'm totally against this action in anyhow you guys want to look at it. If the woman says she don't want to marry you again, or now you really truly, if not true, carry and go abroad, she can't find another husband or whatever and all that, one can still move on to live a life again. But you trying to take her life and setting her house ablaze and all that, in this excruciating time, hardship time in our country, I don't know how you want me to take you to another house again. Thank God that she have a life. She didn't, she not died through the process. But nevertheless, the man is currently in the custody of the police in Edo State. I just hope the government do the right thing. Tell us, what's your take on this? Put it on the comment section and let's take this together. Thank you.